All right, so we're going to talk about telling if a set of ordered pairs is a function in this video. I'm going to focus on doing that by mapping diagrams. So mapping diagrams map all your x values to a y value. And so in order to do that, we're going to have two circles, or two ovals. One oval is going to be your x oval. One oval is going to be your y oval. So all the x's will go in the x oval. All the y's will go in the y oval. So I'm looking at my x's here. I'm going to underline them for us. And I'm going to make sure that they're arranged numerically and do not repeat. So my smallest number is a 2. I have 2 of them, but I'm only going to put 1 in my circle. Okay, next one is a 3, and then a 7. So those are all my numbers listed in my oval. Now I'm going to do my y's. So I'm going to go ahead and underline all my y's in orange because y is going to be my orange color today. So my smallest orange is a -4, and I see it in there twice, so I'm just going to write it once though. And then I've got a 1 or a 7, so I'm going to go 1 and 7. The next part of a mapping diagram is simply connecting the ordered pairs together. So my x-coordinate needs to match with my y-coordinate of that point. So 2 has to be connected to 1 because it's one ordered pair. So 2, 1. And then 7, -4. So 7, -4. And then 3, 7. And then 2, -4. Now, you might wonder, well, how does this tell if it's a function or not? Well, what we do is we look in the x bubble. And if we've got 2 lines coming off of any number, then it is not a function in the x bubble only. We don't care about the y if we're talking about functionality, because remember, functions cannot repeat the x value. They're specific about the x, but not about the y. So in my x bubble, I do have a value that repeats, 2, and so this would not be a function. So not a function. It says to also explain. So not a function because x repeats, and then I always like to throw in where it repeats, at 2. Hopefully that helps you understand mapping diagrams and how we use them to determine if something is a function.